Python IsInstance for classes and subclasses. This code is from Python Cookbook 3rd edition from Classes Chapter Section 8.13. The program tries to define various kinds of data structures, but want to enforce constraints on the values that are allowed to be assigned to certain attributes. I am executing the program in Python 2.7 with PyCharm. When executing the code with the below initialization. Condition. When debugging the below code for a check underscore attributes place equals size string tester, size equals 8, the below if condition is true, whereas for name equals string and shares equals integer, the else condition is true. Questions. If size string is an instance of descriptor, based on inheritance hierarchy string, typed, max-sized, descriptor, then string and integer also should satisfy the if condition, right? Because at the end it is also the subclass of typed descriptor? What is value key in set_cls? Key, value key means, can't understand what is value key means. Sorry for the lengthy context, but wanted to be clear as much as possible.
If size at string is an instance of descriptor, based on inheritance hierarchy string, typed, max-sized descriptor, then string and integer also should satisfy the if condition, right? Because at the end it is also the subclass of typed descriptor. We have to look carefully at what is being passed into the check underscore attributes function. Look closer at what the value of the name and share keyword arguments are. Notice the lack of parenthesis after the string and integer class names. This means the string and integer class object themselves are being passed into check underscore attributes, not an instance of either class. And since the string class object and the integer class object are not subclasses of descriptor, IsInstance value, descriptor, fails. What is value key in set_cls? Key, value key, means, can't understand what is value key means? Think about it. Since value has the value of whatever keyword argument was passed into check underscore attributes, and the value is not an instance of the descriptor class, then value must be referring to a class object. If you don't understand why this is, refer back to my answer to your first question. So calling value key is creating an instance of some class, and passing in the key value as a constructor argument.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.